What's up, Maniacs? Today we're going to do a little spring cleaning here on the F56, specifically the wheels. We're going to take the wheels off, we're going to clean them, get them all polished up, ready for the spring and summer here. So as you can see, they're pretty dirty there on the inside. I don't want to scratch them up, so yeah, we got a cool set here from Auto Body Now. It's a wheel nut socket set, and they're plastic coated, so they're not going to scratch the paint at all. We've got the 17 millimeters, what we need for this car. And so yeah, we're gonna jack up the car, we're gonna take each wheel off, and we're going to clean it. So let's go ahead and do that. Real quick, I will say I do have this adapter for the jack, so that it fits in. I don't know if you can see it, fits in underneath there. I'll get some shots of that, but yeah, we're gonna use that so we don't destroy the underside of the car as we jack it up. So here we go. Alright, so here's the inside of the wheel. We're going to clean that out so it's nice and polished like the outside black here. We're going to get this outside much better than it is now too. So it's all ready. And maybe we'll do a quick clean of the inside of the wheel well. Just coat that so that's ready for the summer as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this first one cleaned up. Okay, so this is how I'm going to clean the wheel. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Got a power washer. So first I'm going to rinse it out, then I'm going to wash it down with some soap, and then rinse it again. So let's do that. So the inside of the wheel well here is actually this like felt coated plastic that you see nowadays. I think it's more for like sound dampening and stuff, but that means we can't put any like protective coating on it that we would the shiny plastic pieces to kind of repel this dirt and water. So we'll just make sure it's clean, and we'll make sure that the brakes are clean before we put the wheel back on. While we've got the wheel off, this is a great time to clean off those giant JCW brake calipers. So we got a little bit of soap soaking in on them. We're going to brush them off because we got an opportunity here to get the inside that we don't usually get to see from when the wheel is on. So yeah, we'll clean off this inside wheel well, clean off those brakes, make everything look really good for the summer. Alright, just for fun, let's see how much a stock JCW 18-inch wheel with Pirelli P0s, which are not the run flats. Let's see how much it weighs per wheel. Looks like about 45 pounds because I'm holding it just a little bit. So let's round it up to 45 pounds. So yeah, each wheel, each corner weighs 45 pounds. Now you know. Interesting fact, I didn't find the proper Newton meters or pound-feet torque to torque those lug nuts in the user manual. I had to go on the forums and find it. So I'll leave a link in the description to the forum that I read about that, so you can be your own judge about which one you want to set it at. But yeah, thought that was interesting. The manual said just go to your dealers to have it done. So look at that, much nicer and cleaner than this front wheel here. Let's look at that. Yeah, a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Looks good. It's ready for the summer. So that's it. We got all 4 wheels off, cleaned, and back on, and it's just really good to get rid of that residual brake dust off of there every once in a while, so that next time you wash it, it comes out looking really great. I use the Ammo line of soap, so I use the Ammo Brute Wheel Soap for this one to clean the wheels, and I use the other Ammo products to clean the rest of the paint on the car. But yeah, it's done. It's back together. Looks great. So it's ready for summer, and so that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to wave to other minis.